Auntie Ona.
For more Auntie Ona videos, please subscribe. Hello and welcome to Fine Motor with Auntie Ona. Have you got your Play-Doh ready? Let's make a unicorn. We'll start by making the head. Break off a small piece of the white Play-Doh or any colour you like and roll it around your hands to make a ball. Great job, friends. Keep rolling. Now we've rolled our Play-Doh into a ball to make the head, we're going to do 2 pinches at the top of the ball to make the ears. Pinch, pinch. Well done, everyone. Now we're going to roll a bigger ball to make the body. Are you rolling? Good job, guys. Keep rolling the Play-Doh. Push it between your hands to make a ball. Now we've made the ball, we're going to squash the Play-Doh just gently, and then we're going to attach it to the head. We need to push the head and the body together. Well done, everyone. Now we're going to make the feet. I'm going to use pink Play-Doh. You can use whichever colour you like. How many feet do you think we need for our unicorn? Well done, we need 4. We have 1 foot. We're going to push the Play-Doh gently between our fingers to make the shape for the feet. We have 2 feet. Now we have 3 feet. And now we have 4. Let's count and check. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we need to push them onto the unicorn's body, one at a time. Just gently push them into place so they're attached to the unicorn. There you go. Well done, friends. We have our feet on our unicorn. Now we're going to make the horn. I'm going to use the yellow Play-Doh, but you can use whichever colour you like. For the horn, we need a small piece of Play-Doh, and it's going to be pointy. Roll it between your fingers and then pinch the end so it's a pointy shape. Great job, friends. Now we're going to stick it between the ears of the unicorn, really gently. And you've made a unicorn horn. Now we're going to make the mane. I'm going to use the blue Play-Doh, but you can use whichever colour you like. We need to roll the Play-Doh between our hands to make a sausage shape, and then we're going to splat the Play-Doh. Splat, splat, splat. so it's like a flat sausage. Then we're going to put the Play-Doh between the ears and going down the head. Well done everyone for making the mane. Now we're going to make the tail. I'm going to use the purple Play-Doh, but you can use whichever colour you like. We're going to do a sausage shape again. Roll it gently between your fingers and then splat, splat, splat. Then we're going to attach it to the body of the unicorn. Great job, friends. You made the tail. Now we're going to make the eyes. I'm going to use googly eyes today. But you can use Play-Doh or you can prod the Play-Doh, whichever you like. Just place the eyes onto the head and push them into place. Push and push. You can make a smile if you'd like to. Just prod it into the head. And then we're all finished. Well done, friends. You made a unicorn. See you next time from Auntie Ona. And don't forget to subscribe.